Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this Google device. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down, then tap on System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now you can click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!